What is up, YouTube, and welcome back to another video on high altitude investing. Today, we are going to be talking about Toncoin. Before we get started though, if you're not a subscriber to this channel, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate it. And without further ado, we'll get straight into today's video. So, Toncoin, this one is starting to take off. It's doing really well. In the short term, we started to see some pretty nice climbing here in price, and I really do suspect this coin to keep going higher, so I decided to make a video about it. We have a lot of volume, and whenever you have volume and price increasing together, that's a strong sign that that's a real breakout. So you can pretty much put a check mark right by it and say this is authentic. Because most breakouts, if they don't have that corresponding volume, is probably a false breakout. Now, you can start to get a breakout and there can be no volume and then it can come in all of a sudden. So it can look like a fake out and then still be a breakout. But for the most part, when volume comes in along with the breakout, that's how you know prices are ready to go higher. Now, with that being said, we are up pretty high in the short term. You guys know it's never good to FOMO buy anything. We're up 30% in the short term. So don't be surprised at all if this coin, pulls back in the short term or keeps pushing higher or whatever it does. The point of this video isn't to tell you exactly what price to go ahead and purchase this coin at. The purpose of this video is to tell you based on my own trading journal that I believe this uptrend will continue. And if that means we pull back in the short term a little bit and come back down to support before we push higher, then so be it. If that means that we keep pushing up higher right now at current price, then so be it. Like I said, the purpose of this video is to show you guys I believe this trend will continue. So whatever short-term volatility occurs is just the nature of the game. Now, if we look at TON on charts.cointrader.pro, you guys can see here, we actually have all of the historical data. So this goes back a lot further than we see on KuCoin. And on here, we can actually see there's an ABC correction down to support. We started to bottom out, and now we're headed for wave 3. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and of course we'll have a 5 wave. So again, this looks like upside continuation, and it looks like the momentum is going to keep pushing higher. Like I said, the short term can do whatever it wants to, so best way to probably play this would be to accumulate instead of buy all at once. But I do believe this trend will continue, and in the big picture, this is a wave 1 up here, and this is a wave 2 down here. So that means that not only are we going for a wave 3 in the short term over the next few weeks or so, but we're also getting ready for wave 3 in the big picture, meaning that as we break out here, we'll be going for big picture wave 3 also. So in other words, as prices start to break out here, especially above their all-time high, we have confirmed a big picture Elliott wave 3 wave, and will really start to take off. Anytime you've played an Elliott wave 3 wave, I've made a lot of money and it's been really fun to do. So those 3 waves are definitely something I watch for and something that can reward you greatly financially. Also here, you guys can also see increasing volume as well as increasing price associated with our reversal from wave 2 out. So down here we have wave 2, we're starting to reverse back up, and in correspondence with that reversal, we have a lot of volume as well. So Toncoin did complete a full cycle here. As you can see, we expanded and we corrected all the way back down. So like I said, if we break out of resistance, that means we're headed for a 3 wave and a big picture cycle on Toncoin, and $2.37 will be a price that people look back at in the future and go, wow, I really wish I could have bought this down there. We also have a left shoulder right here, a head right here, and a right shoulder. So this is a breakout of an inverse head and shoulders pattern, which is one of the highest probability trading patterns in the entire book. So overall, I do believe TON will keep pushing higher, and I figured it'd be really awesome to share this video with you guys today, give you guys my perspective on it, and let you know that I do think that, The all-time high of $5.76 is nothing long-term for this. And $2.37, people will look back and say, I really wish I would have put money in. And the last time I got this excited, you guys, about cryptocurrency was March of 2020. So right before everything exploded. Nobody was talking about crypto. The COVID drop had just happened. Everybody was scared of investing. People were pulling their money out of the stock markets. But I was just making videos because I was so excited about the crypto markets. And then everything exploded in 2021 and it changed my life completely. I was able to move out to Santa Monica and just kind of live on the beach and hang out with my friends. It was an awesome experience, all because I decided to make videos in a time where people were leaving the industry. They were scared. They thought that crypto was dead, but I saw the opportunity and I see the same thing right now. I've been talking about making videos 5 days a week on this channel, and I probably will keep uploading really consistently. We'll see exactly how many videos, but I decided I'm probably not going to keep doing that just because I only make videos when I feel that it's right for me to. I don't want to ever sit down in front of this and say, you know what, I'm forcing this to happen. And so we'll see. I might keep uploading 5 days a week, whatever, but I am going to keep making videos, especially while the market's undervalued. Also, you guys, I have been super focused on my relationship with Jesus Christ. So you've probably noticed that I've been posting Bible verses and stuff on my Twitter. So watch out for more stuff like that. I'm going to keep doing it. And, I just decided that this is really important for me, kind of crypto and Jesus in one. So if you see me post more verses and stuff like that, that's why. And also, if you are a believer in Jesus Christ, shout out to you guys. Let me know in the comments down below. And I really appreciate you guys tuning in today's video. I love you. Hit that like button for me. Share this video with your friends. I look forward to seeing you guys in future videos. And as always, stay profitable out there.